Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to customize who can send you a message request on Discord. So first things first, we're going to need to click on our Discord profile, and at the bottom of the screen you can see we have about 5 icons. We're going to need to click on the bottom right icon that has your little profile picture on it, and that will take us straight to our profile. So let's click on it right now. Once we're here, we have a few options: set status, accounts, user profile, privacy safety, authorized apps, devices, connections, and then friend requests. We're going to stop here because we're going to need to click on friend requests. And here you can see who can send you friend requests. Everyone, friends of friends, server members. So we're gonna flip the switch on everyone because I don't want everyone to send me friend requests, and then I just want friends of friends to send me friend requests and server members, and that's about it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.